Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the furniture in Bob's store in Heartopia. So unfortunately, you can't actually use for instance, like the sink or stuff like that, and you cannot use it if they're in a set, I think, because I cannot use the one in the showroom upstairs. But you are able to, for instance, here, you're able to sit down on this furniture, and I've seen other people sit down on couches as well. Oh my god, what just happened? I don't know what happened, but I did show you guys it worked, but I think there's a little bug in the game. But yeah, that is how you can try furniture in Heartopia. I don't know why it disappeared as I sat on it. So I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!